Hey traders, may pips be upon you. We're going to talk about gold. Do you want an intro? You want me to give you a couple of minutes for an intro or whatever? Forget the intro. All right, look, this is what we got. Look at this ascending uh, channel that I have. You see, I have this line, the resistance line of the channel, a little lighter than the support line because the support line has been respected, well respected on this side. On this side, we deviated a little bit, just a little bit, but we came back within the channel, came back into the structure. So I'm going to use it. Okay. Now, that means I'm overall bullish. Sorry. I'm overall bullish on this pair. All right. What am I looking at now? All right. We see an impulse, a bearish impulse down, very strong, but we had the correction. Great. That's a 62% pullback here. All right. 618 on the on your Fibonacci. We came back down and then couldn't make it any further. And we broke this high. So what did we do? From this low, we made a new higher low, a new higher high, and a higher high relative to that high. All right. What am I expecting after you make a higher high? A higher low, a new higher low. And I'm expecting that to be here. Why? Because look at this level here. It was strong resistance. Then it turned strong support. Then it turned resistance once again with a nice rejection. All right. And then we broke back through that resistance and we are about to retest this area as support. And I believe it will hold like it did over here. Okay. Where are we going? Once it retests, we can take it all the way up here. This will be TP1. All right. Because we're going to find some resistance there. And that's where I would suggest that you take most of your profits. This is the ultimate goal here. If we can get to the other side of this ascending channel. Why did I pick that particular area? Because you got to base your TPs on structure. And if you did that, you would see price broke this level, tested it as support, and then came back down through that support. Same exact scenario over here. You see resistance here, and all this support here. All right, this is a great area to go ahead and ultimate TP and get out and enjoy your the rest of your week. All right, so we go back to the 4-hour, and we can see what this looks like with the trading tool. We come in at this level, take it on up to the uptown. Where you're gonna put your stop loss? Here. Look, this is the safest area because you're under this structure, but you don't want one-to-one. You want to do better than one-to-one risk to reward wise. All right. So I'm looking to the left. I want to protect my stop loss behind some of this here and here. So on the level, I give it a couple of more pips. So we got 2.5 risk to reward. All right, we're risking one to make 2.5. You understand? All right, and that should be it. All right, be careful on your entry, and make sure you take your profits. Make sure you take most of your profits right around the halfway mark. All right, move your stop loss up to a break even, and let it play out. All right, leave a runner for the rest of it. If it comes back and hits you at break even, no loss. This is a beautiful, profitable trade nonetheless. You understand? All right. I will talk to you in the next video. Hey, leave a like and subscribe and comment if you care to do so. All right. I'll talk to you later.